So do you have a real estate agency? Then this video is just for you. I am a real estate agency business owner and I have recently released a real estate project. I am promoting that project using Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as using Facebook lead ads, a new lead is generated. Towards the lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message with the attached real estate project brochure. So this is the brochure that I want to share that will load on the screen as soon as the lead is generated, so that the lead will come to know in detail about the project that I am releasing, and if the lead is interested, the lead can be converted into my paid customer. So this is how I want the system to work. But I receive multiple leads every single day. Replying to all of them by typing the message manually or just copy pasting the message is a very time consuming part. I have to hire someone to do that. What if I tell you, you can automate this entire process now using this amazing setup? Whenever a new Facebook lead in your business is generated, towards the lead, an automated WhatsApp message can be forwarded with the attachment of the PDF brochure. You can create this setup without need of any coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect, which I am using for years to create such amazing automations. If you want the free template of this entire setup, you can comment down below, give me the template. I will share you the link of this template for free. Now, without wasting any time, let me show you first how this actual setup is going to work in real time. I will generate a new test Facebook lead right here. For the first name of my lead, I'll write it as demo. For the last name, I'll write over here as user. For the email address, I'll write over here as demo@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number right here. And for the city, I'll write it as Bhopal. Click on this continue button and on this submit button. As soon as I have done that, you will see for my project, the Facebook lead has been generated. Now let me go back and open my WhatsApp. And you will see on my WhatsApp, I have received a new message with the attachment of the same brochure that I wanted to forward as a business. Hi, demo user. This was the lead that was generated. Thank you for your interest in our properties. I've shared the property brochure with you above. It includes all the details like pricing, location, amenities, and available options. Please have a look and let me know which properties interest you the most. Happy to assist you further and arrange a site visit. Looking forward to your response, Team Prime Properties. So this is the message that is forwarded towards the lead, and in real time this setup is going to actually work like this. Every time a real Facebook lead will be generated, the lead will receive an instant WhatsApp message just like this. So without wasting any time, now let's dive into the creation of this very easy setup using Pabbly Connect. I have already created a workflow using Pabbly Connect. If you are using Pabbly Connect for the first time, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab. You will come to the landing page just like this. As you're logging in for the first time, over here, sign up for free, create the account, and as you're logging in first time, you will get 100 free tasks. Using those 100 tasks, you can create this automation setup right away. You can test it, how it will work for you, and then you can purchase our plans to get unlimited tasks and automate your business workflows. If you're planning to purchase our yearly or lifetime plan with Pabbly Connect, I have a gift just for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plan, and automate your business workflows. I already have an account, so I've signed in. Then I came to the dashboard and I've created the workflow like this. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Let me show you how you can set up the trigger. For the trigger application, select Facebook lead ads and the event select it as new lead instant. I want that as soon as and instantly a Facebook lead is generated for my real estate agency, automatically the trigger should capture the response of that. Okay? then click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. Simply log into your Facebook account on a new tab to create this connection super easily, okay? Click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. As I've already logged in, so I will continue this account from here as well as from this option. And as soon as I'm going to do that, automatically my Facebook lead ads is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect. After the connection will be created, firstly it is going to ask us to select the page with the help of which you're promoting your business, and then you have to select the form with the help of which you're collecting your leads data. So I've created a Facebook page in the name of Home Hub Real Estate. That's my company name. So what I'll do is I'll go back and search for this name and select it right here. For the form, I have created a new lead gen form in the name of new lead gen form. So I'll select this form from here, okay? And then it is asking which kind of response do I want to capture in the trigger. I will select simple as the response and click on this save and send test request button. It says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I am going to generate another test lead and show you how the response is going to be captured in the trigger for you for real time as well. As now I've already generated a lead using this form, we have to delete the lead first because it's mandatory to do that. You can only generate one lead per form, okay? As I've done that, I'll refresh the page and then we are going to generate another test lead. For the page, I'm going to select over here Home Hub Real Estate, and for the form, I'll select new lead gen form, preview the form from here, click on this continue button. For the name of the lead, I'll write over here as dummy. For the last name, I'll write over here as lead. For the email address, I'll write it as dummylead@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number, I will enter a dummy phone number, and for the city, I'll write over here as Delhi. Okay, click on this continue button and on this submit button. As soon as I'm going to do that, the Facebook lead is going to be generated using Meta's lead ads testing tool, and you will see automatically within few seconds the same lead's response is going to be captured in the trigger. It will take few seconds for the response to arrive. You can see the response has been captured. Dummy lead @pabblytudes.com, phone number and the city as Delhi. So as now the response has been captured, let's move on to set up our action. This is how you create the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new lead will be generated, in the same format the real lead is going to be captured, okay? Now as now the new lead has been generated using Facebook lead ads, let's send a WhatsApp message towards this lead. I manage the WhatsApp conversations in my business using Pabbly Chat Flow. If you want to learn what is Pabbly Chat Flow, how you can set up the Pabbly Chat Flow account, what are the features of Pabbly Chat Flow, all the video links of all the features is added in the description section. Go ahead, see the setup, create the setup and come back. We are going to send WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chat Flow in this video. But if you want, you can send WhatsApp messages using WhatsApp Cloud API, AI Sensi, Wati, Interact. According to your requirement, you can create this setup over here in the action. You can select the action application using whichever tool you're using, okay? I am using Pabbly Chat Flow, so I'll select it, and the event over here is going to be send template message, because using Pabbly Chat Flow, I have created this template and I want to share this template as a message towards all my lead, okay? After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Now, if you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, you need to provide the token. To have the token, go towards this hyperlink right here and you will come to Pabbly Chat Flow, go towards the settings option, and under settings go to API and webhook section. This is the token. Generate the API token from here, copy this token, paste it down in the field, and this is how the connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect is created. It's very easy, okay? After the connection has been created, firstly it is asking for us to select the recipient mobile number to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message to. I want to send the WhatsApp message to the lead that is generated using Facebook lead ads. So for that, we are going to map the data in this field. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a slash where you want to map the data. Search for the phone number right over here. As towards this phone number, I want to send a WhatsApp message. I will select the data of this phone number from my previous response. Now, as I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is now going to be captured in the previous step of the new lead, automatically the phone number is going to be updated in place of this mapped phone number. Okay. Now it is asking asking for the template name. I have created a template in the name of property catalog. You can see right over here, this is the template. So I'll select that template from here. My template header type is document. So that is why you will see automatically the header type is going to come over here as document. Now I have to add in the document link that I want to send as a WhatsApp message towards my lead. Okay. So now we have to add the document. Where can we do that? We have to add it in this media URL link. So I've uploaded the document in my WordPress account. So I'm going to copy this link from here and paste it down in the media field. Okay. Let me copy it again and paste it down right here. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for the file name. For the name of the file, I will give the same name right over here, that is real estate brochure. So I'm going to copy it and paste it right here. After that, it is asking for all the other details which I do not want, so I'll skip the part. Next, it is asking for body parameter name. In this template, I've added a parameter of name, that's a variable. In place of this variable, I want a customized name of my lead just like this. To add a variable, add two curly brackets in front of the value, and in the end of the value the variable will be created, and you can add the variable value like this in Pabbly Connect's workflow. Now over here for the data of this field, again I will map the data of the name of my lead. So let me search for the name, first name space the last name. So I'm going to map the data. Next it is asking for the name of the contact that is going to be saved inside our Pabbly chart flow account. So again I will map the data of the first name space the last name. Okay. After that it is asking opt-in, yes. Incoming block, no. After that, it is asking for all the other fields, which I'm going to skip the part. Next, it says save and send test request. You have to click on this button after all the steps that are completed. You don't have to change anything now. But I'll show you the phone number that I've entered right here is a dummy phone number. A WhatsApp message cannot be forwarded towards this dummy number right here. You need to map the data. You don't have to enter anything manually. Simply click on the save and send test request button. But just to show you that how the WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded using Pabbly chart flow and how this is going to work, what is the response that you will receive, positive response, I will remove this dummy number from here and enter my own number just for the test. Remember, you need to map the data right here. Don't enter anything manually. Okay. So I will remove this number from here and enter phone number, my phone number, and simply click on this save and send test request button after entering my number. And I've received this response, which is a positive response. Added by WhatsApp, you will see I have received this message with the attachment of the same property catalog of my business. And you can see the same template message with my variable that was dummy lead has now been forwarded. So as now this message has forwarded successfully, this means this entire connection has now been created. Now whenever a new Facebook lead in your business is going to be generated towards the lead with the attachment of the property brochure, a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded. Now, if you have questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Again, if you want the free template link, comment down below, or you can just check out the description section. The workflow link is attached in that as well. Okay. With that, if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan with Pabbly so that you can create amazing such connections using this software, use the code ANGYT and you will get instant amazing discounts on the purchase. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.